Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in the different time frames during the upcoming week. While the natural gas futures may start the upcoming week with a huge gap up opening on the first trading session, as an Arctic blast spread painful cold across the Midwest on Friday, closing schools, opening warming centers, and even intimidating ice fishermen. Even more dangerous weather expected next week. Forecasters called it a replay of polar vortex that burgeoned the US in 2014 and may even colder with wind chills by midweek as much as 45 degrees below in Chicago. Let us see the weather reports here. Friends, this is a daily chart where I have indicated some expected moves. As here you can see that we may see a gap up opening up to the level of $3.667, and from here the natural gas futures may take a steep upward move up to this first resistance level at $4.854, and immediately a sharp downward move may be there back up to these levels up to $4.140. So the natural gas futures will be too volatile during the week of January 27. So here I have created some ghost moves or the directional moves which may remain in focus during the month of February 2019. So here I expect the natural gas futures may test the levels of $6 during the month of February, and I find that the moves of the natural gas futures will be too steep and may take a immediate U-turn. Once again they may come up back up to these levels, and I find that this will be my median uptrend line which the natural gas futures may remain to be move around this in zigzag manners. So friends, be ready for an action for the more volatile moves. So now let us see these moves in a 4-hour chart. So I expect the natural gas futures to start the day with a gap up opening up to the level of $3.665, from where they may take a steep upward move up to these levels up to the level of $4.913. So this will be my weekly uptrend movements for the natural gas futures during the month of February. No doubt in the mid of February we may test the levels of $6 due to the growing volatility and the growing demand for natural gas during the month of February, and I find that the natural gas futures will remain to be very volatile during this period. So friends, be careful with your strict stop loss. Now once again see the movements of natural gas futures in a weekly chart to see that how the natural gas behaved during the 2014 when we witnessed polar vortex last time, and no doubt that the most of the weather experts are trying to compare this polar vortex to create more cold weather where the natural gas futures may repeat the levels which they witnessed during 2014. As here you can see that from the levels of $3.608, natural gas futures moved up to the levels of $6.454 on 17th February 2014. So I find that the current polar vortex will test the same levels during the mid of February 2019. We will find the natural gas futures to test the levels of $6 during the mid of February 2019. So friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures, because now I find that we may see the natural gas futures to start the week above the level of $3.650 on the first trading session of the week of January 27. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share this channel with your more and more friends. More subscriber base will encourage me to give my regular updates on natural gas and other commodities. Thank you.